Hey everybody, we're just arriving here to NomadFEST 2018. This is a big festival put together by some folks that just put out a movie. We're going to actually watch the premiere tomorrow at 6 o'clock. They've rented a theater down here in Wellington, Texas, and we're going to go check that out. Not only is the movie going to be premiered, they've also got a lot of events, seminars for RVers. There's going to be a concert tomorrow, a fish fry tomorrow. Should be a lot of fun. What do you think?
Yes, let's go.
All right, so we're going to go check out the place and we'll get back with you later. So one of the cool things about NomadFEST and being at a rally like this in general is that you can see every type of rig imaginable, every type of RV, from the smallest vans, pop-up campers, travel trailers, Class C's, Class A's, the big mega buses over here, Prevost, with the tag axles. We've got a 40-foot rig, and on this side they've got just a whole row of 40-footers. So it's really interesting to see all the different kind of RVs out here. So as you can see, the weather does not always cooperate at these events, but we're gonna get through it one way or the other, right, Tyler?
Yes.
I mean, it's drizzly. It's not really a hard rain, but it's definitely making things muddy around here. I'm interested to see what this ground's gonna look like after 300 RVs have passed over it during this event. So we'll see. We're right next to the road though, so hopefully we can get out. So occasionally when you come to these rallies, you bump into people you know from YouTube with big YouTube channels. Right here, we've got Morton's on the Move. And just next to them, we've got Kyle and Olivia from Driving and Vibing in their small little fiber stream. So guys, day 2 of Wellington NomadFEST 2018. The sun finally came out today, which is a good thing. We still got RVs that are arriving. Right now I'm headed over to the registration booth. We're actually supposed to go on a cotton gin tour today with the kids. Wellington is an agricultural town, and so we thought during a break in the activities here at NomadFEST, they're offering a cotton gin tour, so we're going to go sign up for that. So again, the sun is out, but you can see what was left from all the rain we've been having for this last few days, several inches. This place is a mud pit. So You can see this is what they call the overflow parking. They've got rigs that are lined up, but because of all the rain that we've had the last couple of days, they're going to try to avoid, I guess, parking anybody out here. It's really soft, and they've had to pull out several people that were stuck back here. Plus, it's right next to the cemetery, so I'm not sure how I like that, but anyway, they'll get everybody in. Good morning, Wellington. This is day 3 of the NomadFEST 2018. We've been having a great time. This morning we're going to head out to some seminars that are offered. Should be very educational, so let's go do it. Hey guys, as you know, we've been in Wellington now for several days. Right now I'm in the downtown area where they're hosting the RV show, as well as this is the location of the Ritz Theater, which will be premiering the RV Nomads movie. It's going to be the world premiere tonight. So right now I'm actually down at the Ritz Theater though, early in the morning. We're going to do some seminars and learn about life on the road RVing. So this is it, guys. We're all here for the world premiere of the RV Nomads movie here in Wellington, Texas. We're going to go inside and check it out. I bet it's going to be great.
Are the very first audience to see this film, and by the very first, I literally mean the very first. We have not had a chance to show this to even our cast and crew, and that's because even just 3 days ago, Eric and I were putting the finishing touches on this film as you guys were going in. Maybe kind of a little close.
Well, guys, that's going to wrap up NomadFest here in Wellington, Texas. It was a great event. We saw the premiere of the Nomads, RV Nomads movie. What did you think about it, Rona?
I love it. It's awesome. You meet a lot of people from YouTube.
Yeah, a lot of cool YouTubers. We saw Less Junk, More Journey, Driving and Vibing, More Than a Wheelin'. A lot of cool people here. We had a great time. We hope to come back next year if they have another event like this. We'll definitely be back, right?
Yes.
So on that note, we'll see you guys later. Thanks a lot for watching our video. We hope you stay tuned for more adventures on Avid Explorers!